Marketers are already using AI to generate campaigns in half the time without hiring extra staff. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can make your marketing smarter, faster, and more effective. I've tested dozens of Google's AI's experimental tools, and these are the top 5 that really stand out. They'll help you with automating mood boards, content creation, including video, and even sharpening up your copy. The best part about it is they're all completely free to use. When I'm thinking about marketing for my own business, I often start with a very basic concept or idea, but it's really important that I actually visualize that out really quickly, and so I can get more ideas and expand on it easier. This is where mood boards were traditionally used, with different pictures and colors and reference themes, and Google's take on this is their Mixboard AI feature, which does this all for you. And so what you can do, for example, is come in and type into it like you would for ChatGPT. Go, hey, this is my idea. This one's an example of autumn fall decorations, and it'll come back with some images for you. From there, you can simply go, hey, this is the kind of images that I like. Can I have some more variations of this with your own prompt and changes as well? But then you can even ask changes to the existing image if you want to change little bits and pieces. But you can also combine multiple images together if you've got different colors, themes, even existing ads out there that you really enjoy that you kind of want to blend and mesh into your brand, and then it can generate that combined scene for you. The really cool part about it is that it's in this kind of mood board format where you've got all of the information visually there for you, and you can see the step-by-step process that you take to get to your end result. This one absolutely blew my mind when I first used it. It's called Pomelli, might be pronouncing that incorrectly, but it works by uploading the URL to your company's site, and then it will go and scrape every bit of information it can find. This is your logo, your colors, your branding, your ideal customers, information about you, to build a full brand template and portfolio of what your marketing would look like. Then using that information, it generates a whole bunch of campaign ideas. What are we targeting? Who are our audience? What branding and colors and themes do we use? And then if you like it, you can actually generate those full marketing outputs for you, which is really awesome. So I'll put my own website in and we'll see what it comes back with. So that usually takes around 5 minutes, and it's come back and found my business DNA. And so it's based off the website, it's found my logo, it's found the fonts that I've been using on the website, images of me and some of the testimonials, but then also some of the other images that I've used for my YouTube thumbnails, and then the logo there as well. I haven't put out much branding images, so that's kind of all the images that it could scrape, so that makes sense. But if you had marketing campaigns or other images out there, then it will pull from that as well. My kind of core colors, which, yep, that's pretty much matches, tagline, brand values, tone of voice, aesthetic, and then an overview. And so if that looks all good, I can go ahead, or I can upload some more content and change things if I need to as well in here. And so instantly it's created 3 different suggestions of how I could create some marketing campaign based on my pretty limited images that I have out there already. So I can click in and actually see what this is talking about. And so I've got AI browser control, AI solutions, no full-time headcount, blending in the different colors. These ones don't look quite as good, again, because they're kind of just blending my images that aren't really campaign material. And then what else have we got? Fractional AI support in here. And this is one where it's actually generated its own images with its own text. So this is not something that was on my website. None of these ones are, but they kind of match that theme, the coloring, the kind of messaging that I want to portray as well, which is pretty cool. This one I like quite a lot as well, the nice white with the code in the background. So they have those basic kind of templates there that it generates, but then you can create your own campaigns based on your own ideas as well. And so this is where, if you have a marketing background, you're able to really bring your ideas to life a lot faster and quicker using AI. The next one I want to talk about is Flow, which is Google's AI tool that allows you to input your own prompt, ideas, text, and even images of your products and generate realistic videos as an output. The really good thing about Flow is the amount of customizability you can have when generating these videos. You can do your standard video from text where you just input a prompt of saying, hey, this is what I want the video to be like. Or we can do frames to video, which kind of is the flow from one frame to another. If this is you holding a product and then you want the ending scene to look like X, you can put that in. But the really important one here, I think, for marketing is this ingredients to video, where you can upload multiple different files of images and it will input that into the video output. And so what we can do here is upload an image of our brand, image of our color, image of our actual product we want to sell, and potentially a model or whatever it is we're trying to incorporate in here. And then it'll kind of blend all those ingredients together into an output video. And so what I can do here is upload a picture of a potential model that I have and then the actual product, and then ask it, hey, generate a video of this person holding the creatine supplement saying how good it is. Obviously you can get a lot more creative than that if you're in that marketing background, but I am not. And so once that's come back, it actually gave us 2 variations, because if I go on the settings down here, I can choose how many output. I can also change if it's landscape or portrait, depending if I'm posting that on kind of TikTok, Instagram versus on YouTube. And there's also the model selector, but VO3.1 is the main one there. And this was just on the fast model, but quality obviously increases the quality of the video. And so we can see the output here. If I do this,
I can tell you guys, creatine is one of the most studied supplements, and you know what? It's pretty good.
And so that just is based off a prompt, 2 uploaded pictures, one of the guy, one of creatine, and it outputs that video for you. If I went on the quality model, it'll be a higher pixel quality as well, but that's really cool. Again, if you've got that marketing background, you can really customize this to your brand, tone, feel, and really ideas. There's another tool as well that does this very similarly, but it's for images. It's called Whisk. So what we can do is on the side, we have our subject, we've got scene, and we've got style. And so this can blend different images and themes together into one output. And so what I've done is uploaded the same guy as before, the creatine as well in the subject, that's the main focus. On the scene as well, we have the beach background, just because why not? And then I just hit the run button down here. I can also add some additional information, the prompt of what I want to focus on, what I want the pose to be, any of that kind of information you can input there. Also in the customization, you can change the aspect ratio, portrait, square, landscape, whatever you'd like as well. And these are some of the runs that have come back, and it's just the guy holding the creatine on the beach background there. And so again, you upload your branded images, your product, your information, your models, your background, whatever you'd like it to be, and you can blend it all together and customize it. And these generate really, really fast in a matter of seconds, which is the cool part. And there's so much customizability. Having a free text prompt in here, I can go, hey, make him have his arms up flexing, anything that I want it to do. The last one is TextFX, and this allows you to input some text or a sentence or a scene and then expand on those ideas. For example, it can help you get a simile from a word, explode that word into similar sounding phrases or sentences, chain different ideas and words together, then do your alliteration, find acronyms. Fuse is a cool one. You put 2 different ideas in, a library and a graveyard, and then it can find relationships between the 2. And then it's even just expanding or unfolding your words into new phrases and stuff. So this is just a little bit of a playground where you can put in different ideas, text, sentences, and generate new ones for that to help your marketing material. These AI tools help marketers go from concept to full-on visualization or even the end result a lot faster through optimized workflows. If you're interested in any kind of AI guides and tutorials, I post a heap on this channel, so leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.